All right, we're going to try on these running compression socks. This is my first time seeing these with you, so let's try these on together. They have a cool look, that fluorescent fluorescent green look. I like it. They have a big lip on the ankle and on the front too. Oh, they're super soft and comfortable. They're slick. They got a slick texture to them. They feel good. There's a lot of mesh on the top. The whole thing is pretty meshy, but there's a design. There's a band going around here. This little piece right here, you can kind of feel it a little bit tighten right here, this area. They're thin on the bottom. Can you see that? So you can see through the bottom. They're not thicker on the bottom than on the top. They're just pretty much the same. This little lip here, it's pretty high, and it's on the front too. Higher than what a usually what ankle socks will have. That little lip, it's about probably double the size. It's got that fluorescent green in the inside too. I imagine you can fold them over. Yeah, if you want, you can probably fold them over too. They feel comfortable. I like them. Like I said, they're slick. They got a slick feel to them. They feel good. Have yourself a great day.